Look what has come through this morning. Happy days. The team has sent move past that swiftly. They sent a care package and I got my coffee. Oh, I'm so happy. So you know what I'm about to do right now. They're literally the best. They've sent an amazing care package that I'm literally going to use up in a week. Okay, so it feels really good just to be having normal coffee, or what I consider normal coffee, because I don't usually have black coffee, and that's what I was having for the past few days, and I swear something changed in me, like chemically something changed. So quickly talk about the situation here. I know I look like a tramp, but this is real life. You know, I'm literally in quarantine. I don't have a need to get ready right now. Although I do have a different set of clothes for during the day, and then like obviously my night clothes. So I'm technically in my PJs right now, which I will obviously, you know, change. And yeah, so I quickly just want to give an update about my night last night. Something was going on, like on the roof or ceiling. I don't even know. There must be another floor above me, because there's a number 4 floor. There's a 4th floor, and I'm on the 3rd floor. So I could hear noises basically the whole night. So I have not slept. I've been awake since basically like the whole night. I probably slept around, I want to say 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I woke up at 9. Yep, 4 hours sleep. This is the reason, you know, why I'm looking like this as well. So yeah, I have a video to share of basically what I was hearing last night, so you guys can see that and, you know, make a decision about what it could be. I don't really know what it looks like up there. I'm pretty sure, like I said, there's a 4th floor, so there's nothing like above there. And then the noise that I was hearing, it's not like humans making noise. It's like there's something up there, you know, just like moving around, like an object, obviously not a person or something, or an animal. It's definitely some loose object up there. And the wind last night was absolutely crazy. Yeah, it was just the next level. But it's not the first time I've experienced that. You know, I experienced wind when I was in the room next door, but I didn't hear anything, you know, crazy. So yeah, I don't know, like I just feel like there's always something, you know, that I'll have a few days where things are fine, and then something happens again, and you know, here we are, something happening again. So yeah, I'll share that video with you guys now. Yeah, so that was that, and that was basically the whole night. Obviously I was not just going to sit there in my bed or lay down there on my bed and film everything, because I was literally falling asleep. I was exhausted because yesterday morning we had a PCR test and a blood test. Yes, we did. And I was knackered. Like, I had a productive day yesterday. You know, I did like my usual stuff. I worked out. I was like teaching online, and you know, just keeping myself busy. And I was feeling so tired. I was like, okay, you know what? It's like 9 o'clock. I'm already going to start unwinding, and could just hear the winds going crazy outside. I was like, right, this is not a good start. But even closing the window doesn't really help, you know, because it's up there. It's something up there. I don't know what it is. So yeah, I don't even know if I should share it with the hotel, because at this point I think they're just quite done with me. You know, this has just been too much going on from like when I've arrived, and literally I've just moved rooms, so I just feel really bad. I'm literally falling down. Look what I have to do. Like, I'm literally sat here. Okay, so that was that, and yeah, now I'm just kind of get on with my day. Well, look what we've got here. Some lovely breakfast. Anyone who has me on Instagram is kind of familiar with this. And yeah, maybe I should go through the different things individually. Okay, so let's have a look at the different breakfast items that I basically get every day. These are the main ones I get every day. It changes sometimes. But what I always get is, I've already prepared it, so I'm gonna take it out, the stuff. It'll make sense in a minute. So these two are what I would call the breads of the breakfast, because there's literally like no flavors to it. It's just like bread, but very cute shapes, I think. I remember on my Instagram I said that I think there could be an anime series of all of these breakfast items, but that's just my opinion. So what I usually do, how I have breakfast, like how I have these two bread items with the green, oh, this belongs over there. Yeah, with this green stuff in here, is I literally just scoop the green beans into this. And yeah, for the Indians, this is for the Indians, this green stuff is literally like shak, and I've like already spoke about this, but honestly it is literally shak without the different herbs that we usually put in with it. So when I first had it, it just took me straight home. I literally thought I was sitting in my kitchen having dinner or something, because it literally tastes like that. And as a joke, I said, oh, that's a hat, and I'm literally having shak and hat. And somebody came up with a better idea, because shak is an Indian word, and so shak and hat is topi. So yeah, that started shak topi. And I was laughing for a good few days about that, because I just found that hilarious. But it is like that, it tastes like it, you know, and so that's what I would just call it. So I have it like that, basically. So it's quite nice. So I would consider these items on the tray the sweeter items, and I'm not really a fan of sweet things in the morning, so I am avoiding this these days. I don't know what this is. I did like it at the beginning, but now I'm not too fond of it. So instead I have this. Again, I'm not too sure, but I really like this because it's not too sweet. I can enjoy it with a coffee after breakfast. So yeah, that's literally the main items. I also get yogurt, which I have usually after everything, and then I'll end with a fruit. With the breakfast items, I used to also get a rice pudding, what I called rice pudding. They call porridge, and other people literally call this kongi, I believe. And it's rice in water, but to me, I just assumed it was some kind of sweet rice pudding, and I took like a reaction video of when I had it, like when I actually first tried it, because I never tried it before. Like it would always come, and then I wasn't too sure, and I just thought I'm gonna try it, and the reaction was just too much. So I want to share that on here. The audio for this video is not cooperating with me, so I don't seem to have the patience for that right now. So I'm doing a voiceover, which I've just figured out and I feel quite good about. So, okay, I'm about to have it. Yeah, it was not the one, guys. Honestly, rice and water, congee, yep, it's not porridge and it's not rice pudding. Nope. And another thing that needs to be shared is just the fact that my language has changed on YouTube and I'm not sure why. So just another thing, you know, that's happening. YouTube is kind of playing up, my Wi-Fi is playing up, so looks like I'm just gonna do my own workout now because I don't, you know, have the patience for this right now. I might have to call the hotel staff to come up and help me with this. So yeah, just gonna continue with what I need to do, so yeah. Hi. One final update. So I'm staying here for another 7 days. I already knew that there was going to be another 7 days involved, but I thought it was going to be at my next destination. Turns out it's here in my new casa, and you know, it's okay. I'm not phased at all. I'm not upset. You know, it is what it is. We just got to move on, get on with it. So I found that out like literally the day that I put up the other video. So in other words, you're getting more of this, which is fantastic. And you know, some other videos too, maybe about how I got here, etc, etc. I might get into all of that. I have music on in the back, which is obviously ruining everything right now, so I'm just gonna stop that. I can finally continue. And yeah, that's all really, that's the update. Just when I was about to end the video, I hear a knock on the door, and that's my second surprise in the day, and you know how I'm feeling about this. I have been teaching a student for just over a year now, and he is originally from China, but he lives in South Africa. And I caught up with him yesterday after ages, because of the time difference. I can't speak to him regularly now. But I was telling him that I ran out of coffee, and I feel like I've been telling everyone that I'm running out of coffee and it's a problem. But obviously I received a care package today from the team, and I've now received this lovely gift from Vincent, and it just looks so good. Look at these little parts. I can't get over them. I'm so excited to try it. I'm just so happy. I'm just very happy. Still trying to figure out how to end videos. I don't really know, you know, I'm not doing the whole like, subscribe stuff. I don't know, you know? So just have a good day and I'll see y'all soon, okay?